Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Conversation, and this is your host Shiv. So we have some exciting news coming out right now. So one of the audit firm, one of the accounting firm, one of the largest accounting firm called PwC, which is also called Price Waterhouse, has started accepting bitcoins as a payment method. And the reason why it is significant is because Price Waterhouse itself is an audit firm, right? And I understand. I hope you get the point what I'm trying to make here. So we want to talk about that news. We also want to talk about a website which is called bitcoinrates.in. So if you're in India, this website can help you keep a track of the Bitcoin prices on all the different exchanges. For example, Zippay, Bitzozo. So you don't have to go to all these exchanges and find out what is the buying and selling rate for Bitcoins. And the third one is I want to talk about one of the article which was published recently in one of the newspaper from one of the minister in India saying that Bitcoin payments are not legal or something like this. I wish I could share my screen right now because there are some technical issues right now because of which I'm not able to share that. So let's go ahead and look at the coinmarketcap.com first. What's happening there? So the Bitcoin price is slightly gone up. It was yesterday down to 9,400 or something. It's gone up to 9,800 now. So whether now it started moving up or will it still stay here for some time or is it gonna go down a little further is something that that will be interesting to see. But right now it's pretty stable for last 12 hours at 9,800, which is not bad at all. You have Ethereum also slightly down by minus 4%, and but if you look at the chart of Bitcoin, it's come down from 9,700, it's gone up to 9,700. So it's pretty stable right now. I'm not really sure when will it have a bull ride once again. So having said that, let's jump into the news today. So one of the big four accounting firm, giant PwC, you can call it an accounting firm, or you can call it an audit firm, Price Waterhouse, start accepted their first Bitcoin yesterday in Singapore as as a payment for the services that they provide. And what is interesting to say is not that they just only accepted the Bitcoin as a payment method, but they also, I'm sorry for this, uh, they're also advising. So PwC also confirmed its advent into advising clients about crypto funds and investments, cryptocurrency exchanges, and initial coin offering. So guys, this is huge. So one of the top audit firms is now getting into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space, where they're not only accepting Bitcoin as a payment method, but they're also advising companies who are looking out to open an exchange, who are looking out to open up an hedge fund and things like that. Of course, this is all happening in Hong Kong, wherein the rules and regulations for cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin is already out and they are pretty much defined. But will be interesting to see how they work in the other countries when the regulations are out. Of course, so I would like to share that. I would like to tell you that PwC is one of the top four audit companies. So the first one, the number one audit company that we have right now is Deloitte, which has about 38 billion revenue. You have then the number two is PwC, the one that we are talking about right now. And then there's Ernst& Young on number three with 31 billion, and then KPMG on number four. So just to let you know, we had someone from KPMG yesterday. We had Neha Punatko right here. She was there from KPMG at the Economic Times Zippay Bitcoin cryptocurrencies event at yesterday, being one of the moderator on the panel. So to me, it looks very exciting because especially a lot of people do have still concern as to how would the auditing takes place, how would the taxation takes place, how would the things will take place in the when it comes to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Uh, uh, and I'm one of the top audit firm itself accepting Bitcoin payment. Not only that, the other I would of course share this article in the link below. But what is also shared here is that Ernst& Young, which is number three on the list on top four, they not only accepting Bitcoin as a payment method, but they also have set an ATM. This is in Switzerland for their employees. So let me read out what it says, that Ernst& Young in Switzerland became the first firm of its kind to accept Bitcoin for both auditing and advisory services since the turn of 2017. Ernst& Young have also installed a Bitcoin ATM among its offices late year. So they don't really accept Bitcoin as a payment method. They also have an ATM installed in their office in Switzerland for the employees. So this is the news, guys. This is the big news for sure. Considering these auditing companies, so far we have three companies which I've heard about. So one is Ernst & Young, already accepting payments in Bitcoin, the audit firm I'm talking about. And then you have Price Waterhouse, which accepted their first Bitcoin payment yesterday. And then of course we met KPMG, people from KPMG now talking about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin and what would be their role. And of course they are not just accepting Bitcoin as a payment method, but they're also advising companies which want to open up cryptocurrency exchanges, cryptocurrency hedge funds, and things like that. So do leave your opinion in the comment box below. What do you think? Are we very close to the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin? Definitely would like to hear your opinion. What do you think about this article? I will put the link in the description below. Always great to hear from you. Okay, now the second one. So there's a website called pricebitcoinrates.in. Now this is only for India. So if you're in India, this can be helpful. So bitcoinrates.in, what they do is they have like 4 to 5 exchanges so far. So they have ZepPay, they have CoinSecure, they have UnoCoin, they have local Bitcoins, they have PocketBits, they have BitZozo, they have ThoughtBit.com. So what they do is you don't have to. So if you want, in case you want to find out the Bitcoin prices, just the Bitcoin prices, guys, nothing, no other cryptocurrencies, just the Bitcoin prices. So you don't have to go to first ZepPay, then UnoCoin, and then local Bitcoins, right? So in case you want to sell something and you want to sell it at a good price, correct? So you want an exchange which is giving you a good price, or maybe you want to buy the price is down, you're looking to buy Bitcoins, then of course you will buy it from an exchange where the prices are very low. And so this is where it helps you. So right now, in fact, I did some cross checking. I just wanted to make sure that they are actually displaying the current rate and not the old rates. I was surprised to see that they are actually displaying the current rates. So for example, just to give an example, so right now on UnoCoin, the price is showing up as, so over here is showing up as 8 lakh 3,000. And when I go on bitcoinrates.in, it's exactly 8 lakh 3,000. So this is working, guys. This is true. Okay, so similarly for ZepPay, if I have to find out, or let me find out about BitZozo. So BitZozo buying price is 8 lakh, and when I go on bitcoinrates.in, 8 lakh. So it's pretty much, it's very close. It is almost the same price. So you can check that out on bitcoinrates.in. I will put the link in the description below. And now the last one I want to share is this. So there was an article today. I'm not sure, I cannot share that right now with you, but there's an article here in Economic Times I get that says government does not recognize Bitcoin as a legal payment method, and that's by one of the ministers from India. Now this is really thoughtful because the top 4 companies, the top 4 audit and accounting firms, so they already started accepting Bitcoin as a payment method. And they are not only that, they are also advising cryptocurrencies startups who want to open cryptocurrencies exchanges and for hedge funds and all that. And one of the ministers saying that no, we still don't recognize Bitcoin cryptocurrency as a payment method is something that is really to think about. So do let me know what do you think about this opinion. And let me see if I can find a link for this news. I'll put that in the comment below as well, in the description below as well. Don't forget to give your thoughts on these news, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in my next live. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you. I love the conversation that we have on live every day, and it's great to be connected with you. Please shoot the question if you have any in the comment box below. And once again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. This is a channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain, ICO. So whether you're getting started into cryptocurrency space, you're new, or maybe you have spent some time, the news and updates that we cover on this channel may help you in keeping yourself up to date. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.